Add salt to the soap and see what happens. Once I saw a plumber do this and I didn't understand what it was for until he explained it to me, and now I'll tell you. I'm sure that when you know, you'll thank me for life. You will also discover what salt is for in the drain. There are many products on the market that help you remove stains from the soap. However, there are times when we don't have them at home, and this can be useful in emergency situations, and the best thing is that it doesn't have any chemicals that affect the environment. This time, we will use a very cheap product that we all have at home, and I mean salt. It will remove all the yellow stains that usually appear in the soap due to continuous use. To do this, you will use the juice of a lemon, a liter of water, baking soda, and salt. The first thing you should do is add the water to a container. Then we squeeze the lemon in the water. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me to send you a special greeting in my next videos. Then add a tablespoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of salt. Stir slowly. At night, before going to bed, add a little of this liquid to your soap and let it act all night. The next day, you just have to brush your teeth and all the stains will be gone. When you see how your soap will look, you won't believe it. You can also use this mixture to wash the sink and other parts of the bathroom. Another way to use it is to add it to the soap tank at night and discharge it the next morning. All these tricks will help you keep the bathroom totally clean. Now let's see what it's for to add salt to the drainage. This trick works perfectly and all you need is water, salt, and vinegar. The first thing you should do is add water to a container. Then add a tablespoon of salt and half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Mix very well so that everything is integrated and then put it in the microwave for a minute. Once you have the hot water, pour it in very carefully. With this trick, your drainage will be disinfected and untangled, and if it smells bad, it will also be removed. I hope these tricks will help you. Today's greeting is for Maria Hernandez from Panama and for Ignacio Galindo from Mexico. Thank you for watching our videos. I say goodbye wishing you rich blessings.